Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 512, a studio on the 5th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your right. It is an angled kitchen with a refrigerator, a microwave, and an electric oven and range, as well as plenty of counter space and cupboards. In the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, a bookcase, and a desk and desk chair. This apartment faces east with a nice view over the neighboring buildings. You get plenty of bright morning light. Each apartment is air conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. And each apartment comes with a nice big closet. We'll finish in the bathroom. A spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo, a vanity, and a medicine cabinet. Rent for apartments in Commons West includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 512. Call us today for availability.